guys, welcome back to Queen's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to define your curls. This concoction, oh my goodness, it leaves your hair shiny. There is actually no oil here, but I put just some essential oils. It gives you that curls, it gives you that shine, it gives you that moisture. It just leaves your hair so smooth. You can see that from this short video at the beginning of this whole video. My god, I love this. Keep watching, let's see what I'm talking about.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in a cloud.
So what is to be used for this hair conclusion is flax seeds. Flax seeds are actually packed with vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, which also help in reducing dryness, frizz, and lack of hair growth, which we all naturalistas complain about. So if you are a naturalista and you are not using this, you are missing. Like, you have to try this. Flax seeds are very good for the hair. So after putting your 2 cups of water and your flax seeds, you bring to boil, and then you get some aloe vera. This is optional. You definitely don't use this if you don't have. So it's optional if you want to use aloe vera or not. Then you have 1 teaspoon of CHEBE powder, because I'm actually doing infused CHEBE gel. So you can just use your flax seeds if you don't want to use CHEBE. Be careful. Just know that CHEBE has a pungent smell. If you don't want that, you can as well just use just the flax seeds. I actually just wanted to use some CHEBE because CHEBE also is very good for straightening the hair and also promotes hair growth. But the choice is yours. Get your sieve, or I think you should use stockings. Don't use a sieve, because you really need to extract this gel away from the seeds. Also, you can use a cheesecloth, but I prefer using a stocking because it really does the job well. Add some essential oils of your choice. I'm going to use tea tree oil and lavender. You can use whatever you want. So then you mix well, just keep mixing, and then your gel is ready to be applied on your hair. I just love how this gel looks like. It's so good. It also promotes hair growth. It keeps moist. It keeps the moisture. It retains the moisture in your hair. I had nothing here. Yeah, my hair was washed. Nothing, no oil, nothing. But you see the result after I applied this gel was magical. It was magical. You saw that at the beginning of the video. If you keep watching, you see what I'm talking about. See that moisture. I mean, I literally just washed this hair, nothing applied. It was I don't know, it was really hard. But then just see the curls popping. It's so good. Like, girls, if you're a naturalista and you have not used flaxseed, try that and thank me later. So one more thing is, you can also use this as a detangler, because basically if your hair is so hard and you want to detangle it, just do this and apply on your hair, girl. You are going to see how detangled your hair will become. So that's also one. That's sleep. Oh my goodness, there was actually no stress about that. Just try this. Also, okra is also a good detangler too, if some of you might want to know.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single